Hello everyone. Today we're going to be talking about inequalities in one triangle. And for this first video, we're going to be looking at angle side relationships in triangles. And so something that we see in triangles is that in a triangle, the longest side is across from the largest angle, and the shortest side is across from the smallest angle. So let's say, for example, I was looking at this triangle right here, and let's say this was 37 degrees. This one is 50 degrees, and let's say this was 63 degrees. What this is telling me is that the longest side is going to be across from my largest angle. So I'm seeing from my three angles here, my largest angle is a 63 degrees. So that means that my longest side is going to be this side here. And then on the other side of that, the side across from my smallest angle, so the smallest angle here is 37 degrees, is going to be my shortest side. So let's go. And you can work with that vice versa. So let's say I'm actually just given the side measures here. And so let's say I had 15, 7, and 13. This also tells us that my smallest angle is going to be across my smallest side. So my smallest side here is 7. So that means that this will be my smallest angle. And I see that my largest angle is going to be across my longest side. My longest side is 15. And so my largest angle is going to be across from that. So let's look at this first example. First example says to write the angles in order from smallest to largest. So remember, my smallest angle is going to be across my shortest side. And so I see my sides are 19.6, 20.4, and 17.2. So my shortest side is 17.2, so that means that my smallest angle is going to be across from that. And so that is angle F. And now to keep going, I'm going to go to the next smallest side. So the next smallest side is 19.6. And so that means that my next smallest angle is angle H. And then that just leaves my largest angle is across my longest side, which is angle G. Okay, now let's do the reverse of that. Now we're given angles and we want to write the sides in order. So I see that I have two angle measures here. However, it didn't give me the measure of angle R. But if you recall, all the angles in a triangle add up to equal 180. So I'm just going to create an equation right here to solve for R. So I have measure of angle R plus 60 plus 72 is equal to 180. 60 plus 72, I get 132. And then I want to subtract 132 from both sides. And I get that the measure of angle R is 48 degrees. And now that I have those, I can go ahead and write my sides in order from shortest to longest. So I see that my smallest angle is actually my angle R, because 48 is smaller than 60 and 72. So that means that my shortest side is going to be PQ. So that's my shortest. My next shortest side is going to be across from 60, because that is the next smallest number. And I see the side opposite of my angle 60 is QR. And then my largest angle is 72, and the side opposite of that is PR. Okay. Number 3, back to listing the angles in order from smallest to largest. So first I'm going to look for my smallest side, and I see the smallest side is my 5.9, and the angle measure across from that side is angle Q. I say my next smallest side is 6.1, and the angle across from 6.1 is angle P. And then my largest side is 6.8, and so the angle measured across from that is angle R. Okay, go ahead and pause the video. I want you to try number 4 on your own. When you think you have it, go ahead and press play. So the answer you should have gotten was ST, RS, and RT.